My love, were you not taken in? And was I not fooled by the shine of it all? Little hopes that promised the world paper thin, barely true at all. Your feelings change like weather does, like sparrows startled into flight. And I kept mistaking motion for something steady, something right. Once I saw you as in a dream, awakened vision sharp and bright. You were the one who would stand for me through bitter cold, through fair and night. I thought you'd hold when trouble came, no matter how the ground gave way. But wanting does not make a shelter, and believing does not make you stay. I thought you'd be the light I'd follow, through the valley, through the dark. But love that lives on promise only leaves a deeper lasting mark. I mistook the shape of longing for a hand that would not leave, and now I stand in open weather with what remains of what I believed. The ghràidh, nach, robh, the mhealladh, fheallachadh, dòchasan, briollagach, bríollagach, nach, robh, Bana-bheachlanair, take bana-bheachlanair, ghràidh, you know that you will make I thought you tie yourself to stone when enemies were closing in. Stand your ground, take every blow, let none of them get past your skin. I thought you'd keep the longest watch through storm and sleepless fear. My shaking hands safe in your hands, strong enough to keep you. I thought you'd be the light I follow, through the valley, through the dark. The love that lives on borrowed courage never learns the weight of heart. I mistook the sound of comfort for a vow you meant to keep, and now I walk the night alone with what the years refuse to keep. It wasn't cruelty that broke us, nor a single mortal sin. Just the quiet truth, the heaven that you were never owing. I needed more than shifting ground, more than warmth that fades by dawn. I needed someone who would stay. I won't curse the light I followed. It showed me who I am. I won't carry borrowed shadows from another broken plan. If love must stand the test of time, and let it learn to stay, I'll keep my heart for what is real. was to John Rain